The sky above the Middle East just became even more dangerous. A drone, high above the clouds, silent, watching, controlling, and recording. And then a flash in the sky. Moments later, there were flames. Well, according to Iranian officials, their forces have shot down an American military drone over the Iranian airspace. Tehran says that the aircraft was the MQ-9 Reaper, one of the most advanced unmanned drones used by the United States Air Forces. Well, this was not just any drone. The MQ-9 Reaper is designed for long missions, deep surveillance, and precision strike. It can stay in the air for more than 24 hours, scanning the ground with powerful sensors and cameras. It can also carry missiles, by the way. That's right, in simple terms, it is one of America's most feared eyes in the sky. And now Iran says that the eye has been shut down. Video spreading across social media appears to show a drone being stuck mid-air. Well, a bright explosion, pieces falling through the sky, a fireball disappearing into the darkness. Here, Iran claims that its air defenses successfully targeted the aircraft after it entered the Iranian skies. So far, independent verification of the footage is still unclear though, but the message from Tehran is loud. Iran says that it is ready to challenge American aircraft directly. And this whole incident comes at a time when tensions are already exploding across the region. The war between Iran and Israel has now entered its third day. But it is no longer just about two countries here. The conflict is spreading, and that too really fast and deadly. New fronts are now opening. And now, Western military bases, they are being pulled into this storm. Reports suggest that an Iranian drone strike recently targeted a major British military facility in the Mediterranean. The base is RAF Akrotiri, located on the island of Cyprus. This whole base is strategically important. It hosts the fighter jets, surveillance aircraft, and logistics used by the Royal Air Force. In the meantime, Cyprus officials say that the drone attack caused limited damage, but it sent a very clear warning. Even locations hundreds of kilometers away from Iran, they are no longer safe from expanding the conflict. And the question is critical: will Britain now enter the war? So far, the UK says that it does not plan to join the offensive military strikes against Iran. However, London has confirmed something important. British bases in the region are being used by the US to support the defensive operations, specifically to intercept the incoming missile threat. In other words, the West may not be attacking Iran directly, but its military infrastructure is already deeply involved. And that makes those bases operational targets here, which by the way means that the battlefield is expanding. From the Persian Gulf to the Mediterranean to the skies above multiple countries, military analysts warn that shooting down an American MQ-9 Reaper, it could mark a dangerous turning point because these drones are often escorted by surveillance system and backed by very powerful retaliation capability. Well, if Washington decides to respond, the escalation could be moved to a completely new level.